It's another sunny day in the town of Everyday, and Dada Go and the children have made Mya Go breakfast in bed for Mother's Day. Lucky Mya Go.
We made all the things you like.
Yes, all mixed together. Don't go into the kitchen. Not until we've cleaned up, anyway.
Yummy! I'll be sure to try everything.
Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, what a beautiful card. Thank you, Maya. A pasta necklace. How lovely. Thank you, Sammy.
What would you like to do today?
I really don't mind, as long as we're all together.
We could go on an adventure.
As luck would have it, I already have an adventure planned. We're going on a picnic, and the picnic basket is packed and ready to go.
Picnic? Yippee!
Thanks, Dada Go. An adventure sounds wonderful.
Today is all about you, Mya Go, just as soon as I get a few jobs done.
I love jobs. What do we have to do?
We need to go to the filling station, the shop, and the library.
Maya can help you make sure you remember everything.
I'm good at remembering things.
Great! Let's go.
Sounds like there's a lot to do.
Now, we'll try to get our jobs done quickly so we can get to the park and have our picnic.
First stop is the filling station. Yay!
Oh no. I think Dada Go has left something behind. Let's hope they realize and go back and get it.
The next place we need to stop is the shop.
Thanks, Maya. You're really a very good helper.
But what about the picnic basket? Oh dear.